Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x80244007 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot and select other troubleshooters, and then click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. So I have a script for you. We will copy the script and then we will search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. Now here's what the script does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will reset the Windows Update profile. It will delete the software distribution and cat root to folders. It will re-register all the DLLs. It will reset WinSock. It will restart the background intelligence transfer service and all the services. So basically it will definitely fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.